This clip, we're going to talk about removal of the retaining snap ring and setting up of our ball joint press. Now, off camera, we did a little bit of extra work, which you guys at home won't necessarily need to do. We removed our brake rotor and a dust shield just to get it out of the way so you guys can get a real clear view of what we're doing over here. This is a snap ring. You can see the two holes right here. They make 1,000,001 different tools for removal of these. I prefer just a pair of needle nose pliers. They work just fine. Cheaper than a set of snap ring pliers, and they fit all of them instead of having to buy a specific plier for every different snap ring. This snap ring is a spring. It actually squeezes down tight in a groove on the ball joint. Anytime you're dealing with a spring-loaded device, it's a good idea to put on your safety glasses, which I'll do right now. I'm going to take the points of my needle nose pliers, insert them down inside the holes on the snap ring, and open it up. Right there. That's the proper way to remove the snap ring. With a replacement snap ring, it's okay to go ahead and discard it. What I have here is a ball joint press. It's not necessary for you to purchase one and keep it forever and ever. Odds are you'll only use one set of ball joints for the life of your vehicle. It comes with various couplers and adapters. You can go to your local parts store and get it on the loaner tool program. You'll pay the full purchase price, use the tool, and bring it back, and they'll give you your money back. The first thing you have to determine is which direction your ball joint is going to press to. That will be indicated to you by what side the snap ring is on. The snap ring is on the top of this particular vehicle, which is going to indicate that the ball joint will push downwards. That is the side that we're going to want to set our driving screw up on. The first thing you're going to do is take a driving cup and set it on the top of the ball joint. This piece here swivels so you can apply a large amount of force by screwing it and it won't bind up. The next thing you need to set up is your receiver cup. As you can see, the receiver cup has a hole in it. That's so the ball joint stud can be pushed through it. The ball joint will actually pop into this cup when we're all done. What I'm going to do is slip this on to the ball joint surface and slide my press into position. I'm going to go ahead and run it down hand tight. This is going to vary depending on if the ball joint is pressed upwards or downwards. And like I said, it'll be indicated to you by the side the snap ring is on. You're always going to want to drive to the snap ring. If the snap ring was on the bottom, this would be identical but switched over 180 degrees. That's the proper way to remove your snap ring and set up your ball joint press.